This is absolutely insane. The CPI data came out today and inflation increased by 0.1% and the Bitcoin price reacted immediately to this news. Only this 0.1% led to that Bitcoin dropped from all the way here all the way down where we are right now at $21,230. And yes, let's talk about this today. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and also activate the notification bell so that you will never miss out on these important updates. And now let's get to it. So here, let me go first to the weekly chart. So one reason why we dumped is because the Bitcoin price got really close to the 200 weekly moving average here. So, and yeah, we almost touched it and saw an imminent rejection to the downside. And now the Bitcoin price is sitting here on the weekly falling wedge on the upper resistance line, which is acting right now as a slight support. But the question is obviously, will this hold the support or will we drop back into this falling wedge and potentially go all the way down to $16,500, $600 approximately? So when we are looking now on the lower time frames, when we go to the 1 hourly, so we can also clearly see that we had here a rising wedge. Sorry guys. So here, a rising wedge. So, and when we came to the tipping point here, we saw an immediate reaction from the price, breaking through it, breaking this newly formed support back into resistance. And now we are sitting at the support at $21,250 approximately. Saw a small bounce back to the upside, but I believe that could be just a small dead cat bounce, and that we see a further upwards movement a little bit, but under this resistance zone, and potentially a turnaround breaking this, going to the next level of support, and from there we will see then a move back to the upside, because this was a crazy move anticipated also by a lot of volume coming in. Look at this volume spike. This is just insane on the 1 hourly chart. So, and the same goes for the 4 hourly chart. Here on the 4 hourly chart, you remember guys, I had pointed out yesterday that this resistance area has to be broken, and only then I will be more bullish in the short to mid-term if we can break this level and move from here upwards. And now happened exactly what I also mentioned, that this might be a valid scenario, that we came up here to the top of this resistance and got rejected from there all the way down where we are right now at $21,250. So, but what did I actually do? So I was opening a long position, as I told you guys, when we get over $22,400 here approximately. That what I told you guys, that there I would open a long position and I would closely watch what's happening all the way up here, and that's also what I did. So up here I was in a really nice profit, and I set my stop loss to break even, and my stop loss got triggered. So I did not lose any money, I did not make any money on this trade, and now I'm waiting for that this crazy dump blows over to find a new long entry position. And guys, I hope you were also smart enough and not too greedy to have a stop loss in place at break even or just slightly under break even, so that you did not lose a lot of money. Let me actually know in the comments below. I like to know if you were able to close your trade fast enough to not get liquidated by this massive dump here. So the other thing is that we were expecting a potential raise of 0.1%, and that this would be actually already priced in, but now we have seen, no, the market absolutely panicked and yeah, led us to where we are right now. So when we are having now a look on the EMA ribbons to see what might be the next move here for Bitcoin, so then things on the 4 hourly chart are not looking as bad as people might think. So because if you remember, I had also mentioned several times already to you guys that a retest of the EMA ribbon is imminent. I called it already all the way here, that we have to see the price coming back to the EMA ribbon, somewhere at the EMA ribbon, to test this as support. And if the price action comes back up, that could be a new long opportunity, because then we have confirmed the EMA ribbons as support and can continue to go here into higher levels. So for now, the EMA ribbon is holding on the 4 hourly chart. We are not beneath the EMA ribbon. as long as that is still the case, in an uptrend based here on the 4-hourly chart. And guys, for today there's not much else to say. I'm watching closely the 4-hourly chart to see what's happening there, because if the 4-hourly chart gets broken with the EMA ribbon, then this will spill over in all other time frames too. So, and then we will actually see if we get into a new downtrend with a potential new low, or if we continue in this uptrend, because the trend is your friend until the end, and get here into higher levels. But I told you guys, $22,400 is a really hard nut to crack for the Bitcoin bulls, and now you have seen they got heavily rejected from that level, and we have to wait for a new attempt there. Guys, don't forget, if you want to trade this highly volatile market, you can still go to my comments or the description of my video. There you still get $4,550 with the link here below to go to BYBIT, or $8,800 in bonuses with 15% discount on the fees if you use that link to get to BYBIT. But only with my links you will be able to get these bonuses, and you have to deposit a little bit of money for that. Guys, that's it already for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you again tomorrow.